Hello kids! Today we are going to make some sea creatures, and along with me you have to guess what I am making. So as you can see, this creature looks like its hands are quite different and it has got quite a lot of feet, around 6. It's a crab. Yes. Let's move on to another animal. This time we are making something that looks like a horse. So it's actually seahorse. And now we are going to make another sea creature which has got quite wiggly legs. And as you can see, it's a jellyfish. Let's move on to another creature, and this one is found a lot in a sea, and a very simple one. Yes, it's a fish. So now we are making another animal which has got a shell. And do you know which animal lives in a sea and has got a shell? Yes, you're absolutely right. It's a turtle. So now we have one more sea creature, and it looks like a star. It doesn't only look like a star, it is also called starfish. I hope you enjoyed drawing these animals with me. And now we are also going to color them. So keep watching the video.